Yeah, let's go.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Hello everyone! Hope you're ready for a party at Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. So stand up kids and get ready to dance because it's time to welcome our good pal Mickey Mouse and all his friends.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside,
Hi, everybody! Oh, boy! How are you doing?
We're going to have such a fun party together! Are you ready, Mickey?
I sure am!
Oh, hooray!
Let's get this party started!
Get up! Get started! The party is here at the clubhouse! We're with Mickey Mouse! There's nothing better
But we're
together we'll say it loud! Mickey Mouse! It's time to welcome the rest of our friends!
And now, here he is, everybody! Our good pal, Goofy! He's not here.
Oh dear! How about Daisy?
She's not here either, guys. Oh, gosh, how about Pluto? I don't know what to tell you, Mickey. There's nobody here. Oh, but you're here. Hi, everybody. My name's Sam, by the way, and I'm Mickey's DJ and party planner and a whole bunch of other things around here. Where is everybody? I have no idea.
Oh my! What do we do?
Oh, I know. What? Let's go find them.
Buttons and bows! That's a great idea!
Sounds good to me, guys, but I'd hate to leave everyone else here alone. We don't have to leave them here. Say, do you want to come along with us to find Goofy, Daisy, and Pluto?
Yeah!
All right, kids, go ahead and get up on your feet and show me your best dance moves, because we're taking this party on the road. Lead the way, Sam. Luckily, I used to be a tour guide. You don't say. Oh, yeah. Let's go! Looks like everybody's late for the show. Come on now, we can't take this slow.
Come with us! We'll search high and low!
Get on your feet. Let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go.
Go! I can hear you! Go! Go!
Time to party.
One more time! Let's go! Go! Let's go! Go! Go!
Gotta go house to house.
With Mickey Mouse!
Gotta go door to door. Let me hear you go. Gotta search north to south.
Go everywhere!
Till you find the ones you're looking for. 1, 2, 3, 4. House party. So get
Now!
get started. We'll find out. It's a house party. It's gonna be all going up. There's no doubt.
We'll have a blast!
Got so much in store. Put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go.
Go! Go!
I can't hear you.
Go! Go! Go!
Time to party.
Go! Go! Go!
One more time. Let's go, go.
Let's go! 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 So many things to do!
So much magic to make.
We can't wait!
Find our way to you.
All together now!
Dance, come sing. Yeah, you know we're gonna celebrate.
1, 2, 3,
It's
4!
a house party.
So get loud!
When it's started, we'll find out. It's a house party.
With Mickey Mouse!
That's when we all go rocking. There's no doubt. We'll have a blast. Got so much in store. Put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go.
Go! Go!
Almost there. Go, go, go.
Close to Goofy!
Go, go, go. 3 times. Let's go, go. Let's go, go, go. Gosh, nobody's home.
Are you sure?
I think I can hear him.
Me too. Let's go inside. Goofy! Goofy!
Gosh, I was just about to hop in the shower.
You're late for the parties, Goofy.
I am? Gosh. Let me turn off the water. Oh, wow! Wow! I think something broke!
Luckily, I used to be a plumber.
Really?
Oh yeah, wait right here. I'll go take a look. There's no need to wear a frown.
Makes me wanna move around.
Come on, folks. We're rhythm bound.
Can you hear the groovy beat? Come on now and move your feet. Hands up, feel the groove.
Get on up and start.
Let's hold it up, gosh. Let's make a big, big splash. It's a very cheap style.
It's the bubble bubble band.
All these bubbles are making you laugh. I'll have to sing some flash.
Stop your feet and wave your hands.
Dance around and show your style.
This might take a little while, especially if we conquer. Woo! It's the bubble bubble band. We all made a big, big splash.
Glad you had a lot of fun.
Hi, folks, the job is done.
Gosh, thanks, Sam.
Anytime.
Goofy, it's time to go find Daisy.
Gosh, let me change and I'll meet you back at the party.
Everybody say goodbye to Goofy.
Next stop, Daisy's house.
Let's go. It's a house party.
So get down.
When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party. When we all go knocking, there's no doubt.
We'll have a blast.
Got so much in store. Put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go. Go, go, go.
Gotta find Daisy.
Not 3 times. Let's go, go. Let's go, go, go.
Come on in. I need your help.
Gosh, it's kind of dark in here, Daisy. Can you turn your lights on?
I can't. The power went out. Oh my!
Oh, hey, maybe I can help. Luckily, I used to be an electrician.
Gee, what can't you do?
My taxes.
Daisy? Over here. Where? Here. We can't find you.
Boy, it's really dark.
All right, everybody. Well, I'm working to get that power back on. I'm gonna need your help again, okay? Keep your eyes open for Daisy, and if you see her, shout Daisy. Can you see her? The lights are on.
I cannot see.
What will we do?
We're coming, Daisy.
Where's Daisy?
These flashlights here are just for you.
Where's Daisy?
on that circuit breaker.
Oh, Daisy, I'm so glad we found you.
Me too. Thanks for getting the power back on,
It's
Sam.
just a blown fuse.
You're so handy.
Say, Daisy, we need to get you to the party.
But first, we have to go find Pluto.
You go find him. Let me tidy up, and I'll see you there.
Last stop, Pluto's house.
It's a house party.
So get loud
When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party.
with Mickey Mouse.
When we all go knocking, there's no doubt. We'll have a blast, got so much in store. Put your hands in the air. It's that snow, snow, snow. Check out those snowflakes! Alright gang, we gotta keep this party moving if we're gonna get to Pluto! Everybody let's go, go, go!
Almost there.
Go, go, go!
I don't find Pluto.
Go! Where did he go? Oh, he's under the snow! Oh, I think I can hear him!
We gotta get him out of there.
I can't even find the front door. What should we do?
Beats me, it never snows in Florida.
Oh, goodness, it's cold.
I wish we could warm up.
Sam, I've got an idea. Hey, you're a DJ. Maybe you can play some hot tunes?
Hot tunes? Let's try this. Maybe this will melt the snow, huh?
Great idea.
Oh, we're coming, Pluto, we hear you. All right, kids, we're gonna need your help one last time. You see these thermometers on either side of us? Well, we gotta raise that temperature. So I wanna see everybody up on your feet, moving and grooving, showing your best dance moves. We gotta heat things up. Mickey, Minnie, you ready? Let's melt the snow. We got to bring the heat. So move your feet. Let the beat take over your body. We need to warm up your toe. Come on now, you know what to do. It's up to me and you. There's only one thing that can break us through. The ice. If we work together, maybe we can melt the snow. Temperature is rising when we're moving to the beat. We gotta melt the snow. We're running out of time. Let's hurry so our friends can learn. The snow is far too deep. Need to bring more heat. We can see the sun on the horizon.
Come on, don't stop.
Give it all you've got.
Almost there.
It's rising in the air. We got the best thing to bring us through the ice. When we work together, I know we can melt the snow. It's rising. We did it! We're running out of time. Let's hurry down to Mickey's Street. We gotta melt the snow. Come on, melt the snow. That's right, melt the snow. We gotta melt the snow. It works. Okay. We gotta melt the snow. Hey, we're glad we found you, Pluto. We'll see you back at the party, okay?
Lead the way. Here we go. Keep up, Mickey.
Hey, now that we found all of our friends, let's get this party started!
And now, here he is, everybody. Our good pal, Goofy.
It's lovely to be here. At last.
And of course, Pluto. And now that we're all here together,
This is the perfect time, this is the place. Me and my friends are so excited. Alright, throw your heads high up into space. Feel all the magic in the air. It's time to celebrate. Right through the trouble with the bubbles, we're smart. We ride the bike, not afraid. afraid of the dark. Nothing can stop us now. We climbed the mountain, we mounted the snow. Now we can party some more. Everybody all together now. Yeah, get started. The party is here at the clubhouse.
We're with Mickey Mouse. That's me.
There's nothing better when we're together. Say it loud. Let me hear you now. Say oh oh.
I wanna hear you scream it out.
It's a party at the clubhouse.
All your favorite friends are there.
Let's go. Oh
Yeah.
all right, everybody, repeat after me. Go Mickey. Go Minnie. Go Goofy. Go Daisy. Go Pluto. Now make some noise.
Right through the trouble with the bubbles, we're smart.
We're not afraid of the dark.
Nothing can stop us now.
We climbed the mountain and we melted the snow.
Now we can party some more. Everybody all together now. Yeah, get started. The party is here at the clubhouse. We're with Mickey Mouse. There's nothing better when we're together. We'll say it loud. Let me hear you now. Say oh oh.
I wanna hear you scream it out.
It's a party at the clubhouse. All your favorite friends are there.
Let's go. Oh yeah. We forgot to do the hot dog dance. Everybody want to see, you know this one? All right, I'd say that's a great way to end our party here at the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Bye for now.
See you later.
See ya real soon.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.
Oh, Goofy, you've been wonderful. Let's roll an idea.
We're sweating the same old so I'm pouring out from Mickey Mouse. Have a Mickey Mouse.